Downloaded a Wikipedia archive for offline reading and ended up with a ZIM file? This format powers offline access to entire wikis and reference sites. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through opening and browsing these OpenZIM Wiki archive files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure ZIM formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my #1 choice near the end of this guide. ZIM files are Open ZIM format archives containing wiki content for offline reading developed by the Open ZIM project. They store entire websites including Wikipedia Wiktionary and Project Gutenberg with articles, images, and metadata in a compressed index package designed for low bandwidth and offline environments. ZIM files use LZMA2 or Zstandard compression with a clustered storage format containing HTML articles, images, and resources. The structure includes a URL pointer list, title pointer list, MIME type list, and full text search index, enabling fast random access lookup and search across millions of articles within a single file. It is standard practice to open the ZIM format using the designated Kiwix by Kiwix team. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows can't decode structured data fully, so compatible tools are needed for comprehension. Time to see which installed program links the file. Right-click the ZIM file and select Open With. Test Kiwix if you see it. If it is missing, select any other program and keep checking until the file opens. If the ZIM file is still giving you trouble, relax. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the ZIM format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, opening with Kiwix. Download and install Kiwix from kiwix.org, which is the official ZIM file reader. Launch Kiwix and use the Open File option to load your ZIM archive. The application displays the wiki content in a browser-like interface with full search functionality, navigation history, and bookmark support for offline reading. Next, using Kiwix serve, run Kiwix serve from the command line to host the ZIM file as a local web server. Execute Kiwix serve. Port 8080 your file. ZIM, then access the content at localhost 8080 in any web browser. This approach allows multiple devices on your network to access the same ZIM archive simultaneously. Finally, mobile device access. Install the Kiwix mobile app on Android or iOS to read ZIM files on phones and tablets. Transfer the ZIM file to your device storage and open it through the Kiwix app library. The mobile interface provides optimized reading touch navigation and full offline access to the entire wiki content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.